Ideogram versus Nano Banana AI tools explained. Choosing the right AI art tool can transform your creative process without wasting time on complex setups. Both offer unique features for generating stunning visuals quickly and efficiently. Ideogram and Nano Banana are AI art generators designed for creative professionals and hobbyists. The core difference lies in Ideogram's focus on detailed text-to-image generation versus Nano Banana's emphasis on user-friendly, fast image creation with simple prompts. Ideogram is an AI-powered art tool that generates images from detailed textual descriptions. It works by interpreting complex prompts to create highly customizable and precise visuals. Its strength lies in producing concept art, illustrations, and intricate designs with control over style and composition. Users can refine outputs iteratively, making it ideal for artists and designers who want creative flexibility. However, the level of detail and customization can require a learning curve and more input time. Ideogram suits professionals and serious hobbyists who prioritize quality and control in their AI-generated artwork. It integrates well with creative workflows, supporting export options for further editing. Limitations include slower generation times compared to simpler tools, and it may not be the best fit for quick casual creations. Nano Banana is an AI tool designed for fast and easy image generation using straightforward prompts. It excels in delivering quick results with minimal input, making it accessible for users without extensive technical knowledge. Nano Banana uses efficient AI models optimized for speed and simplicity, ideal for generating social media graphics, concept thumbnails, or casual creative experiments. Its strengths include a clean interface and rapid output, perfect for those who want instant visual content without deep customization. However, this simplicity means it offers less control over fine details and style variations compared to more advanced tools like Ideogram. Nano Banana is best suited for beginners, marketers, and content creators who need fast, visually appealing images on demand. While it may not satisfy users seeking intricate or highly tailored artwork, its ease of use and speed make it a valuable tool for everyday creative needs. Comparing Ideogram and Nano Banana highlights a trade-off between control and speed. Ideogram is perfect for projects requiring detailed, refined visuals and creative precision, such as professional design or concept art development. Its iterative process allows for customization but takes more time and effort. Nano Banana, on the other hand, shines in producing quick, attractive images with minimal input, ideal for fast content creation and casual use. If you need high-quality, complex art and are willing to invest time, Ideogram is the better choice. For rapid, simple visuals with less complexity, Nano Banana delivers excellent results efficiently. Choosing between them depends on whether you prioritize artistic depth or speed and ease of use. Choose Ideogram if you need detailed, customizable AR art for professional or creative projects that demand precision and iterative refinement. Nano Banana is ideal for fast, user-friendly AR art generation when simplicity and speed matter most. For casual creators and marketers seeking quick visual content, it's the perfect tool. Select the one that fits your workflow and creative goals best.